Hi there, I'm Sarah Davies, Body Stress Release Practitioner in Cape Town, with premises at the Milnerton Mediclinic and second premises down in Glencairn near Simonstown. And I'm here to tell you a little bit more about body stress release and how it can help you or your family. So I've been practicing for over 12 and a half years now, but the founders of the technique, a South African couple, Doctors Ewald and Gail Megacy, actually founded BSR over 40 years ago. And it's grown to encompass practitioners in over 20 countries worldwide, which is testament to the effectiveness of this technique. So while I'll typically see people in pain with back pain or leg pain or neck pain, joint issues, migraines, cramps, and often stiffness or disc issues, body stress release is not only for those in pain. Because the nerve pathways literally impact all areas of our functioning, body stress release can be useful for systemic issues such as constipation, IBS, fertility issues, and also can be really useful for those suffering from anxiety, fatigue, and stress-related conditions. And it is so gentle that it can be used on babies all the way through to the elderly. If you've got any questions and you've got any specifics you'd like to ask about body stress release, you've got any cases you'd like to discuss, please feel free to drop me a line. I'll include my email address and my details for WhatsApp in on the screen, and please feel free to get in touch. I look forward to hearing from you.